Jaod bura ma Mumias East Peter Salasya nochwale doho ma Milimani kawuono bang' ka nomake kendo geng'ne teseno bila kuom ndalo 3. Salasya nyicha nomaki kitude kod ketho mar golo weche moko ma ok adieri kendo tiyo gi dhok ma ok ni kare. Okil mare olero ni Salasya nomaki Nanyuki chieng' tich abich gi okwach kich e kinde manoyuore romo ma josiasa ma kaunti ma Isiolo.
By Defense Council on the admission of bond. The council has urged this court to admit the accused person to reasonable bond terms or cash bail or even personal bond. The prosecution is not opposed to that application. They have already raised issues with the issue of personal bond and invited this court to balance all the interests. Since the bond terms are not opposed, I'm minded to grant the accused person bond as follows. Is admitted to a surety bond of Kenya shillings 500,000 in the alternative cash bail of 200,000. There are two other issues which has been raised. The first one is about violation of accused rights in the course of arrests, as well as another application to have arms assigned to the accused security details returned. I will reserve my ruling on that two aspects, and I will deliver the ruling on the 4th of June. Does it include the funds? You need to find out from your... Is it for the security details or for the accused?
The accused was arrested the way he is. Give the route and release someone, the arresting officer.
Yes. Let the IO come. The same date.
Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV.